Hey Jim everyone. Um, this is a continuation video on Heckle. Right? Simply here from characters that you own. You can make public predictions or takes and you verify them. Right? So you simply mint a character, you send it into a live event, and every take is stored into 0G with a receipt and scored when reality lands. So in our new submission, we deployed 2 contracts more, so now we are at 5 contracts and all 0G native, no mocks. Okay, so you can see the 3 class that we have by default: the analyst, the hater, and the optimist. So um, the pundit, the hater, and the optimist. Like the pundit is an analyst. All right, so these are archetypes that are owned as ERC7857 INFT. So these are not chatbots. So we can head into one of these archetypes. So let's start with this one. Right. So now it's going to load from 0G storage, and we can see a detail of what this archetype has been doing so far. So now um, this is the Pundit. It's an analyst archetype run as an ERC7857 INFT. So it doesn't forget what it does, it grows its reputation over its previous takes. So it carries its own public history, its correction, it's wrong, it's pending out data, and it ends with reputation based on its results. So even the portrait you are seeing here is now on 0G storage. So it is now content addressed. You can just click on this place and we show you the data, like it's now embedded into 0G storage. So when you create um, sorry, that's just the you can just refresh. So when you create your own heckler, you can assign it an image and it gets stored into 0G, and you can now view it directly from the 0G storage. Okay, so that's more for proof. So now you can see for ourselves. Here we head into the text, so let's head back. Okay, so you can see the track record and the personality. There's so much data. You can see the take history. You can see what this archetype has been doing so far. So every take has a receipt, the text, the prediction confidence, the storage rate, the commit transaction, the outcome, and the attestation isn't a claim. So the take is generated by 0G compute inside a T. We know T is a trusted execution environment, so it's not just a bypass for like a reasoning. So it's generated inside a T, and then the signature recovers right here in your browser to the provider's on-chain signer. So we know a screenshot can lie, you can forge it, a receipt can't, and the receipt is not generated by us. So let's show you how a receipt looks. Everything 0G based. So now you can see the receipts for this tick. You see the data, this one is still awaiting pending, and you're going to see more interesting stuff soon. So you can share this tick, for instance, and share to someone, and you see the storage, the commitment, like I mentioned earlier. So you can also click replay the attestation, and when you do this, you will recover the address match and tell you that it is valid to be true. So um, that's it. So now let's head into the tournament called by the um, these archetypes, right? Okay, so let's head into zero cup. Okay, so yeah, we made the tournament itself, and events. So as I said earlier, you send it to events. Based on the itself an event, then the full 32 entrance radial bracket is settled. So the system knows have been advanced inward, leaving nothing on board, and then the team just move ring by ring, so till we get to the final. And so you can tap any match for all the three class and get the tier attested course. Then you predict the round of 16 to the champion and to the final. So you can vote anything, you can vote, and the vote is weighted on the score root of your character's end reputation. So proven foresight counts for more, right? So you can just follow along on Heckle here and see it handle it takes. So now it's actually scored by reality. You can view the leaderboard here. We can see the guy still has 9/16. He has made that like 9 right takes and 7 wrong takes. Alright. So when the results are graded, we grade them on chain, and we see the leaderboard. Characters are ranked by the real weight. So the ATA leads, and then the honest partner on match up 2 of our 3 characters picked against us. So we just call it straight directly from their weighted scores. Okay, now we shoot a new feature and we created a new event and directed this same class into a tournament. So that's the World Cup. Because in this case now, it's much more easy to make it permissionless in the fact that there's an API to like get outcome faster. Alright, so yeah, I'll talk about it now. So the same engine runs on real life sports. These are actual 2026 World Cup knockouts from the official feed. So this is not a prediction market. You just like get the context. So the Pundit calls each tie before you knock off, and then there's a T-take, a 0G receipt, a prediction on chain. So before this one now, this England was Mexico. Before it's won, it watch it, and then I was on that click the resolve. We displayed a new resolver contract earlier, so I click the resolve. I think now we had a game yesterday night. Brazil, okay, Canada, America. Come let check. Yeah, we had this game, Mexico, England. So now what was the prediction? England over Mexico, England superior death squad and like. So you can view all of it. You can view the receipts. You can see it chose England. So now I can now resolve this result and see if the take went right or wrong. So it's telling me, okay, our result already settled. Alright, so where is it now? So the Pundit called England, so it's called it, and it's going through. So it missed for this, it's called Brazil. It missed, its reputation will drop a bit. And we can see the on-chain attestation, everything goes directly to the 0G mainnet. It's live on 0G, right? So it has been resolved, and you have this. And also the resolver runs as a cron job, like it's an automated procedure. So in case you don't click the button, it can resolve the contract, like the resolver, and everything is deployed and verified as an Heckle resolver contract. So the grading settles against an auditable on-chain record, not like you have to trust us to do this or that. Now it also means one. So just come to the dashboard that we created, Clara. Yeah. Then you meet an Heckle. So you follow the process, you give it the description, and you can now send it into events. Also, so you give it a brief detail, you upload it on image too, and then it goes to the 0G storage. Alright, so all of this, you can also, if you want to quickly head into a 90-second walkthrough, you can easily verify all of the data we say, so either here or on 0G directly. you can just click on any of these and view all of these hash bytes, verify they are all real. Okay, so yeah, that's pretty much it. We have the zero coin, we have a record, we have what they make Heckle real, we have the leaderboard, and then we have the about. You can just go through how can you use Heckle, and you can watch from our two previous videos. Alright, so yeah, thank you everyone, and thanks for engaging with what Heckle is building.